What's good, billionaires? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Cocos FX. In today's video, I want to show you guys something like I want to show you guys this analysis is mad. Then there's analysis I took on gold, and I predicted something and the thing came to pass. Like, this is crazy, guys. So without wasting your time, I'm gonna take you guys to my trading view, show you before and after the analysis and how it played out, guys. Damn, shout out to ICT Michael J. Hudson. God bless you, and a very big shout out to King Solomon. You're amazing, guys. You all should thank King Solomon for me. Let's get straight to trading view and then let's see what we got there.
So what's good, guys? What's good, millionaires? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Cocos FX. So in today's video, as you guys can see from my chart, I have XAUUSD on the 4-hour time frame. So as you guys can see, after this massive crash to the downside, we have been most of like some new traders will be like, where will we start from? So in this video, I'm going to be analyzing gold according to my own perspective. Probably you might have your own analysis or the way you view your own chart, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I do mine on this particular video. So let's get straight to business. So guys, after gold dropped, gold created this high, this higher high, came down, created this low, this lower high. All right. So if you map out this high, you guys can see that there is a breakout structure right here. Let me zoom it in. Guys. That's a breakout structure. So guys, sorry, I'm having kata, guys. So as you guys can see here, after gold printed this high right here, and then this higher high and this lower high here, sorry, higher low on those stuff. So after gold printed this up and then retraced, so we went up again and then had this high. So we're expecting a retracement. All right, so let me kindly give this is a breakout structure. Let me map it out so I won't be confused. BOS, so that's my BOS right there, and after that my BOS, this is the new low printed, and then this is the new high. What will I do if I want to trade this market? So I'm going to give you guys my secret, all right, because we rise by lifting each other. So I'm going to go straight to my toolbox, pick up my fib retracement, and then measure the highest point of price and then measure it to the lowest point. So this is my daily range. Look at what price did, guys. Sorry. So from this high to this low, this is my daily range, because price already created a breakout structure to the upside. So this low and this new high is my daily range, and as you guys can see, I measured it, and you can see that price came to the 50% level, came to the discount level. The 50% is the discount level. So you can see that price came to the discount level and then traded up. But there's some kind of fishy things that went on here. So look at it. So let me take off this fib retracement. Let's look into this price action right here. Let's look into this price action. All right. So let's quickly look into that and look at what price have for us there. So guys, as you guys can see, after this retracement to the discount area, let me put down my fib retracement again, so we're gonna be getting everything clear. So look at it right here. So that's it. So after this retracement, do you know why I consider discount? You know, let me just share a secret with you guys. You know, guys know for a retracement to be confirmed, like for we to confirm that this is a retracement, we must have at least 3 candles to the like in this scenario to the downside for a retracement. So we should have at least 3 candles, but as you guys can see, we had only 1 2 candles. But why do I consider this a retracement? Because as you guys can see, this one candle alone cover like 3 candles. Like this was a massive push to the downside, and then this last candle. So I'm considering this place a low, is it a higher low? So that's it. So probably most you guys have how the way you view your own retracement, but this is why I view my own. Bear with me, guys, I'm having kata. So when price retraced from the low, what are we expecting? For price to create a break of structure to the upside, for we to say, okay, we are still bullish. But look at what price did. Price came down, went up again, came down, had a shift in market structure right here. We had a market structure shift right here. Like that change of character, we had it right here. We had a change of character. So I'm gonna name it MSS, market structure shift. So this is a market structure shift for me, guys. Probably you guys know how you view your own stuff. And after this market structure shift, we should be looking to sell. Yeah, should be looking to sell from here. If I should place my, because these are new dealing range from this high to this low is our new dealing range. So if I should put my fib retracement right here, you guys see that we should sell. But there is what we consider while doing this. You know what we consider? We're gonna reconsider selling this stuff if we see any reaction. Yeah, I go with confirmation, even though I had a market structure shift, and I should go with the confirmation because, as you can see, when price was trading up, let me zoom this stuff. Let me zoom it so you can see how when price was trading up. Look at this struggle. Look at this inverted. Look at this dodgy candle or inverted whipping bar. I don't know the candle, but so you can see these struggles. So after all these struggles, we had another market structure shift right here. Where the market structure shifts. That's MSS or change of character, anyone you call it. But this is a market structure shift. Let me just write it down so I can relate to my stuff easily. MSS. So this is my market structure shift right here, and that's it. So we had a market structure shift, and then price. And most of you guys will see these guys as a retracement. I just gave you guys an expo. This is not a retracement. It's not up to 3 candles, and the candles are very weak. So this is not a retracement, bro. Price was just, marketers were just resting. Buyers were just resting. That's not the retracement, nigga. So where's our question might be, where is our new dealing range, Cocos? So these are our new dealing range. So this high is our buy side liquidity, and this low is our sell side liquidity. So these are buy side liquidity, and these are our sell side liquidity. And if we should be looking for price to trade lower to the discount, it should be this guy here, right here. This is a breaker block. If you don't know the difference between a breaker block and a mitigation block, as an ICC student, you don't know what a breaker block, a mitigation block is, drop it in the comments, and I'm going to be making a separate video explaining what a breaker block and what mitigation block is, how to spot the difference. So I'm going to bring my rectangle line here. So this, I'm expecting price to come here before I will buy XAUUSD. So if I should place my fib retracement, you guys will see that I'm on the discount. So have you seen it? From this new dealing range, from this high to this low, you can see that our breaker block is below the 50%, which is a discount. But look at what price is doing here. Price didn't get to discount, and it's buy from the 100%, which is the premium. But this is a valid retracement because this is actually up to 3 candles. This 1, 2, and they're closing below each other. 1, 2, 3. So this is a retracement. So if price should trade above this guy, that means this place, we're not gonna regard this place again. Then we focus on the new bias. So and you'll be like, bro, so what are we expecting on gold? Only from the reaction you see that we are bullish on gold, so we should be buying gold. But I'm not going to buy gold because gold didn't come to my this assuming I'm seeing this reaction inside here, then that will be a buy for me. That will be a buy for me. I'm gonna see this stuff I'm happening. I'm gonna see it on a lower time frame, like the 15 minutes or 1 hour. So that is it. From here now we go bullish. Let me not take this off. Let me see what the 1 hour candle is doing. Sorry, 1 hour time frame. Guys, I'm not going to be analyzing. I'm not going to be looking into the dollar index anymore because there's no time. Sharp. So this video is getting longer. So let's quickly analyze what's going on. Let's quickly analyze the price action going on right here. Let's quickly see what's going on right here. Whether the 1 hour is aligning with the 4 hours. So guys, let's just quickly do this. Millionaire. So this is a retracement. So this is a break of structure. This is a BOS to the upside. This is a break of structure. Typing this on my phone is stressful. I'm going to buy a laptop very soon. Like there's no need to type that. Just this is a break of structure. So this is our low. This is our protective low. So price traded up, came down, and then fell to go up again, then crashed. So and your question will be, Cocos, where is there any change of character right here? So me and you, we're going to determine that right now. So let's zoom in. Let's see what happened. This is a retracement. Then price broke structure, traded up, came down to the other block. So price was struggling to trade up. So I won't consider this as a retracement. So this is my low here. So we are having a market structure shift right here to the downside. So can you see that the 1 hour isn't complying with the 4 hour? But that's just telling us that price is probably gonna come to our discount on the 4 hour. Are you guys getting what this price action is telling us? So after seeing break of structure to the downside, that means that price is probably gonna come to our discount so we can buy. So let's see what price is gonna do. So my point of interest is that price shouldn't trade. So from this market structure shift right now, so I'm gonna do something before I end the video. So look at what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place my fib retracement again. I'm gonna place it on this my new dealing range. Place it here. Good. So I'm gonna be looking out for price to make use of this fair value gap right here. So when price gets to this fair value gap, there's a reaction I would love to see on 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame that will tell me, okay, we are selling this stuff to this discount, the 4 hour discount, then we buy from there. So that's it for XAUUSD. So this is what I'm expecting on the lower time frame. So for price to get to this fair value gap, come down, went up again, then shift structure, retest, then we sell this stuff to the discount. So that's it. So millionaires, that's the end of the video. The video is quite long, but I guess you learned something. This is actually how I do my top-down analysis. But if you are confused anywhere, you can go to your chat and backtest it, or you drop the question on the comment section, and I will get to it. Peace out, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye. But there's a but here before you go. But if I didn't see this reaction on the 5 minute time frame, and price should close above this high right here, that means I'm now coming down to that discount again, and then we look for a buying opportunity. Bye.
So what's good, traders? This is a new day, and I think I can see from the analysis I gave you guys yesterday that I recorded this video. Look at this. Look at what price did there. This is my break of structure right here. Then price traded up and then came down and gave me this market structure shift. I remember I told you guys that I'm looking for price to, there's a reaction that I will see on this fair value gap. Then I will sell from there, and then we sell to this then we're gonna sell to this to the discount. Remember yesterday I gave this I drew this stuff here. So, and today look at what happened, guys. I'm gonna take off this stuff. Look at what happened. I'm gonna take off this I'm gonna take this fib retracement off. So guys, look at what happened here. Look at what happened. This was the place I mapped out yesterday. And then I told you guys that I'm gonna go to the, there's a reaction I will see on 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna sell gold to the discount, to the 4-hour discount. Look at what happened. I'm gonna highlight this place, and then let's go to the 5 minutes and see what happened here, whether it was actually true. Remember that this fair value gap is inside the premium part of this market structure shift. So let's see what happened. So I'm going to take off this stuff so that our chart be more clearer. But let's bear in mind that that place is where premium is. So I'm going to go to the 5 minute time frame right now. Guys, like, this is crazy, guys. Like, look at what happened. Sharp, good. So I'm going to take off this stuff. So I'm going to break this reaction here. Look at what happened, guys. So from where I had this break of structure to the upside. I had this break of structure. I'm gonna make this lighter so that it won't. I had this BOS here, guys. Bro, like, I saw this and I was like, damn, man, we are making improvement, man. So I had this break of structure to the upside, and this was our low. So this is our new dealing range. So price traded up, came down again, and then this is a correction. So you can see more than 3 candles, 1, 2, 3. So this is our new low. Here. So remember guys, this is a secret I'm sharing with you guys. We are looking to see a market structure shift inside this our zone, so that it will be confirmed that we are going to settle the forward discount. Look at what happened. So this guy came down, didn't give us a market structure, it just swept liquidity and went up again. Then this guy gave us a market structure shift, guys. This guy gave us a market structure shift. So let me note it down. MSS, guys, this is crazy. MSS. So this guy gave us a market structure shift, and then look at what price did. Let's take a look. So price shifted structure here, and then came to this premium of this price leg. Isn't this price leg? So if I should use my fib retracement, because you guys know that this place should be my entry, that this should have been my entry when price came out to this fair value gap on the 5 minutes. But the reason why I didn't take this was that I didn't have any market structure shifts. So I'm going to be considering this one. So this is a double confluence for me. This guy here went to the fair value gap, but this one didn't. So that means that this guy here is reacting off this fair value gap, and then this guy is reacting off this fair value gap. Alright, so I'm gonna put my fib retracement on this guy that caused the market structure shift. I'm gonna put it here and then measure it, as you can see. So when price came to the premium, I'm gonna short gold. Like, when price came here, I'm gonna short gold from here, and then my stop loss is going to be here above this high that caused the market structure shift, and then I'm gonna target either 1:3. Remember, like this crazy, guys, this trade alone have given us 1:4. Damn, guys, like, this mad. Like 1:4.8, bro. Like, this trade gave us 1:4, man. Damn. So this is a clean setup, no stress. Price didn't even stress your entry. So you enter from here, you went up and then crashed. Guys, this mad, bro. This mad, damn. So guys, this is it for the gold, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now. So guys, if you have watched the video and it was insightful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and then let's keep pushing this together, guys. Let's pushing this, like, it's a dream come to pass. Let's keep pushing this. Bye.